In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table with category, subcategory, and region, complete with total sales and profit percentages in Tableau. Let's dive right in and build a compelling visualization in just a few minutes. First things first, go ahead and open the Tableau public app on your device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, it's accessible directly from the Tableau public website. Once you have it up and running, the next step is to access your worksheet. You can either create a new one or use an existing data set that you'd like to work with. With your worksheet open, we'll begin by organizing the data. Drag the region field over to the column shelf. This will ensure that each region is represented as a column in your table. Next, we need to set up our rows. Click and drag the category dimension into the rows shelf. This categorizes your data, allowing each category to align horizontally across your table. Immediately after, do the same for the subcategory dimension. By placing it beneath category in the rows shelf, your table will be further compartmentalized under each category. Now we're going to populate this table with some numbers. Take the sales measure and drop it into the values shelf. Repeat this process with the profit measure. This inclusion allows you to see both the actual sales figures and the corresponding profits right in the table. For a holistic view, let's add grand totals. Click on the Analysis menu, navigate to Totals, and select Show Column Grand Totals. By doing this, you'll see a new column appear summarizing the total sales and profits for each region. To enhance this, head back to the Analysis menu, again under Totals, and choose Add All Subtotals. This way, subtotals will be visible for every category and subcategory, making it easy to pinpoint the performance in different segments. Next, let's transform those raw sales and profit numbers into percentages. Right-click on the sales measure in your values shelf and select Quick Table Calculation, followed by percent of total. This action converts your sales data into a percentage format. You'll want to do the same for profit, transforming it using percent of total to reflect its percentage compared to the overall figure. Now, to improve the readability and highlight the biggest revenue drivers, let's sort the table. Click on the drop-down arrow in the sales column header and select Sort Descending. This action arranges your categories and subcategories by the sum of sales in a descending order, making it easy to see which areas are performing best. Lastly, when you want to display these percentages in a consistent, comparable format, right-click on your sales and profit values, head over to Compute Using, and select Pane Down. This computation ensures that all your percentages are aligned, giving you a clear and cohesive view of your data. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you now have a detailed and insightful table in Tableau that displays categories, subcategories, and regions, enriched with total sales and profit percentages.